All right, this is Engage New York, Module 2, Lesson 26, Problem Set Debrief. All right, on Problem 1, it says 156 divided by 24 and 102 divided by 15. Both have a quotient of 6 and a remainder of 12. It's just like a problem that we did in our problem set, right? So, are the division expressions equivalent to each other? Use your knowledge of decimal division to justify your answer. So yes, you need to actually add the decimal and divide it all the way out to find out whether, and you need to state yes or no and tell me why. Justify your answer. All right, now on problem B, construct your own division problem with a 2-digit divisor that has a quotient of 6 and a remainder of 12, but is not equivalent to the problem in problem 1. All right, so really important. Remember this. Because this is what your problem looks like right now. It's a question mark and you don't know what the dividend is. You only know that there is that this quotient, the answer is 6 remainder 12. That's all you know, right? But what else do you know? This is what you know, friends. This is what you know. You know that the remainder is 12. So the divisor has to be bigger than 12, right? It has to be bigger than 12. Okay, now you can pick any number, make it easy, but it has to be bigger than 12. So you're going to end up taking your question number, whichever number you choose, multiply it by 6, and then add 12, and that's going to give you your new dividend, right? This problem is on the test. I'll tell you that right now. A problem just like this is on the test. So knowing how to do this problem is really important for you. Okay, then here, 13 divides into 36.14. How many will be in each group? 2.78, and then you're going to check it. 23 divided in 62.79. It's 2.73, and then you come down and check it. 11 into 12.21, 1.1. Come over here and check it. 13 into 6.89 is 0.53. Come over and check it. Now, yes, I expect you to do all the division all the way out. I am checking your work tomorrow to make sure you are not just writing down the answer. Okay, 52 into 249.6 gives you 4.8. Now you have to take 4.8 and multiply it by 5.2 and make sure you end up with your dividend. 52 into 24.96 is 0.48. Divide it out. Take your 0.48, multiply it by 52 in order to make sure you get back to 24.96. All right. Then the same thing for these two problems. It is 5.1. You're going to multiply 59 times 5.1 and make sure you get back to 300.9. 0.51 is your answer here. Multiply it by 59 and make sure you get back to 30.09. Now, the weight of 72 identical marbles is 183.6 grams. What is the weight of each gram? Explain how you know the decimal point of your quotient is placed reasonably. This right here is the big idea. Yes, you know that there is a total weight and you have 72 identical marbles. What is the weight of each marble? So you're going to divide all of the marbles into the weight to get how much they weigh. Now, I know the decimal point is placed correctly because 183.6 divided by 72 is about 180 divided by 60, which is 3. Now, Cameron wants to measure the length of the classroom using his foot as a length unit. His teacher tells him the length of the classroom is 23 meters. Cameron steps across the classroom heel toe and finds that it takes him 92 steps. How long is Cameron's foot in meters? Well, you're going to simply divide 92 steps into 23 meters and get 0.25. Cameron's foot is 0.25 meters long. Now, this is the more advanced problem right here. So, a blue rope is 3 times as long as a red rope. Here's blue is 3 times red. So if blue is 3 times red, we know that red is just 1. Now, the green rope is 5 times as long as the blue rope. Now, wait a minute. So 5 times the blue rope. What is the blue rope? The blue rope is 3 times. So it's 5 times 3 is 15. So here is the green right here. So green is 5 times the 3. But in order to figure out what is the length of the blue rope, you need to go 19. Well, where did I get that 19? I added 15 plus 1 plus 3 and got 19. 19 divide into, because those are little meters, right? 508.25, and I'm going to get 26.75. Now 26.75 times 3 is 80.25. So this 26.75 is just for the red, and now you have to multiply it by 3. So the rope is 80.25 meters long. So here is the blue, here is the red, here is the green. I'm going to add 15 plus 1 plus 3 to get 19. 19 meters, right? Into 508.25. So 26.75 is what you get. You're going to take that. That is just for this red. Now I'm going to go 26.75 times 3 for 80.25. The blue rope is 80.25 meters long. All right, that is a more complicated problem, but we're kind of moving in that direction. So I'm sure you'll do well. And this is the kind of problem that we will continue to practice with.